In today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn off AirPlay on your iPhone. If you've been struggling with AirPlay connections or just want to disable it, you're in the right place. So let's get started. First, unlock your iPhone and go to the home screen. From here, we'll access the control center. To open the control center, swipe down from the top right corner of the screen if you have an iPhone X or later. If you have an iPhone 8 or earlier, swipe up from the bottom of the screen. Now look for the AirPlay icon, which looks like a triangle with circles above it. In the menu, you will see all the devices currently available for AirPlay. To turn it off, just select iPhone or iPhone speaker depending on your device. This will disconnect any active AirPlay session. You can also check if AirPlay is off by tapping the AirPlay icon again. If it shows only your device, you're all set. And that's it, you've successfully added or turned off AirPlay on your iPhone.